Welcome to another episode of Bird Watching with Tao. Today we will see a surf scoter, many different migratory birds, and an antelope on Saskatoon city limits at the very end of the video. Here we have a surf scoter in the middle. It is a unique bird. You can notice the white coloration around the eye. It's rare to see in Saskatchewan during migration, as it primarily hangs out around the coast. Here we have Canadian geese and the cackling goose. You can notice the cackling goose by the shorter, stubby neck. Previously a subspecies of Canadian geese, since 2004 it has been recognized as its own species. Once again we have the surf scoter. This time it is surrounded by redheads and lesser scaup. This was my first time seeing a surf scoter, and it took me a while to identify it. I was very happy for this discovery. It was the only one on the pond with many different bird species. While I was recording this tundra swan, something quite incredible happened. I heard some noise behind me and looked over my shoulder to see an antelope. This is the first time I've seen an antelope anywhere close to Saskatoon. Typically, you only see them 200 kilometers south or even further. It was quite remarkable, and where I was situated was kind of close to a busy roadway. If you're familiar with Saskatoon, it was McCormick Drive. This is on the edge of the Northeast Swale. The antelope was hesitant and really looking around its surroundings. I hope it was able to find a safe passage around the city. It was really a special encounter, and I was lucky to happen upon it.